Hi and welcome to my channel and thanks for checking out this product review. Let me ask you one question. Are you tired of struggling to find clients, create videos and get real results online? Do you feel overwhelmed by all the tools, softwares and endless tasks just to make a single sale? What if I told you there is an easy way to instantly find clients and create high converting videos and launch campaigns for lead generation all with few clicks? Introducing NicheFlix AI, all in one AI powered platform. NicheFlix AI is providing an easy way to start a new agency in 2025. NicheFlix AI provides ultra-fast client discovery, instant video creation, plug-and-play landing pages, hyper-targeted lead funnels, AI-enhanced creativity. Get all your agency work done in minutes. It's so easy that a newbie can start an agency. Current agency model is dying so fast, and the manual hustle is so time consuming and it is costly too. Old content methods leads a lot of staff. What if there is an easy way to start your brand new agency in 2025? Yes, it is possible with NicheFlix AI. It finds untapped client instantly, generate professional marketing videos, sell high performing videos to local clients. NicheFlix AI is now your shortcut to start and grow an agency in 2025. Now there is no more frustration, no more waiting on employees, no more expensive third party tools, no more missed opportunities. With NicheFlix AI, you can easily do all your agency work, such as discover profitable clients and niches instantly, create high converting videos effortlessly, launch ready to go landing pages, automate lead generation funnels, expand into multiple niches seamlessly, deliver personalized campaigns at scale, access real time analytics and insights, save time and reduce costs. NicheFlix AI works in four simple steps, such as first step is it identify untapped clients. Second step is it generate high converting videos. Third step is it creates optimized landing pages instantly. And fourth and final step is it email to leads and collect cash. NicheFlix AI works so easily, and more agency growth features also includes 24 by 7. Yes, you get 24 by 7 support from uh, NicheFlix AI owners. Instantly you get response. There is no technical skill required. In-app training is available, frequent updates, proven results, and full customizations. And this is an one-time investment. There is no monthly fee included. NicheFlix AI is perfect for agencies, affiliate marketers, coaches, commerce business owners, local business owners, and more. If you have restaurants, cafes, if you have gym, you are a gym owner, or you are a plumber, electrician, chiropractor, coach, you can definitely use NicheFlix AI. So this is all about NicheFlix AI, and it's a wonderful product for business owners, marketers, agencies. If you want to buy this product, please click the link below in description box. And also, if you buy this product through my link, you will get more exciting bonuses. To get these bonuses, send me a screenshot of your purchase on my Insta handle. I will mention this Insta handle in my description box below. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.